Why would you pay to come to the Fitness Industry Tech Summit and hear sponsors pitch their product? Why would you? That was the question that was asked to me today when we released the first of our fireside chats, which is going to be with Davin Miller from Debit Success. Quite simply, ladies and gentlemen, we are not asking you to pay to hear a pitch from the sponsors. I'm JT and I'm coming to you from Christchurch. There's some chickens over my shoulder, so if you hear some strange noises, they are the chickens, and I just had some ducks fly overhead. And I thought I'd jump on tonight and just fill you in around what we're expecting from our sponsors for this event. First of all, without sponsors, these events are simply not possible. So we're eternally grateful for the sponsorship of Debit Success, MyZone and Gym Sales. Without them, this event could not happen. We're also excited to announce that in a few weeks' time, we will be announcing at least 2 other major sponsors for the event, which is super exciting. But here's where the rubber hits the road, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not asking you to pay to come to the Tech Summit to hear a pitch. In fact, what we're going to be doing with the leaders of Debit Success, Davin, from Gym Sales, Tristan, and from MyZone, Mike Beanie, is we're going to be asking them best business practices based on the data that they collect from their organisation. So it doesn't matter what billing company you use, it doesn't matter what sales software you use, or whether you use heart rate monitoring or not from another brand. What we're going to be able to ascertain is from the data that they have, that they collect, we'll be able to give you the best business practices to help you run your business. So using technology gives us data, and that data creates an action. And that action is going to be the best action for your business. That's why we've got them on stage. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky, because the 3 gentlemen that are coming up on stage, they're not coming up with a pre-prepared presentation. No, it's a fireside chat. So what happens in a fireside chat is they're going to be speaking with me and I'm firing them questions. So I'm going to be asking them questions about best business practices for billing, best business practices for sales, best business practices for using heart rate monitoring for retention, member engagement. So it's not up to them to come out and pitch. I'm going to be asking the questions that I will be coming to you guys to get some information on. So the people that attend the Fitness Industry Tech Summit will have the opportunity to give me questions that I will then pose to these 3 business leaders. So it's not a pitch at all. It's best business practices. This is one reason, just one reason that you need to get along to the Tech Summit. This is the first time it's ever been held in Australia. This is the first time we've ever done anything like this as an industry. And we're excited that there's only 150 tickets. We've sold 15 already. I'm pretty sure all 15 are actually the VIP package. So if you are looking at coming, you need to grab a ticket as soon as you possibly can at fitnessindustrytechsummit.com.au. I will put the link in the comments below, but if you have any questions about the event, please put them in the comments below and I'm happy to answer them for you. This is a landmark conference in our industry. It's different. It's unique. There aren't speakers from the industry presenting. The majority of the speakers will in fact be from outside the industry. Stay tuned as we release more speakers over the coming weeks. But I think it's really important to acknowledge that our 3 sponsors, Debit Success, Gym Sales, and MyZone, are not coming on to pitch their product. They're coming on to use the data that they collect using their technology to share with you the best business practices so that you can run the most efficient, the most effective, the most productive, and most importantly, the most profitable fitness business. So make sure you check out fitnessindustrytechsummit.com.au. I'll catch you on the flip side.